Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make custard from scratch. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 4 large egg yolks, 2 cups of whole milk, 1/4 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Having your eggs at room temperature helps them combine smoothly. Also, make sure you have a good whisk and a sturdy saucepan ready to go. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now let's get mixing. In a bowl, whisk your egg yolks and sugar until they become light in color and creamy. Meanwhile, gently heat your milk in a saucepan over medium heat until it's just simmering, but not boiling. This next step is crucial. Slowly pour the hot milk into your egg mixture in a thin stream, whisking continuously. This process, called tempering, prevents the eggs from scrambling. With your tempered mixture ready, pour it back into the saucepan. Cook over medium-low heat, stirring constantly with a wooden spoon or heat-proof spatula. This continuous stirring is key to preventing lumps and ensuring even cooking. You'll know it's done when the custard thickens enough to coat the back of your spoon or reaches about 175 degrees Fahrenheit. Don't let it boil, or it might curdle. Once cooked, immediately strain your custard through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl. This step ensures a perfectly smooth, silky texture. To prevent a skin from forming on top, press a piece of plastic wrap directly onto the surface of the warm custard. Then, let it cool completely before chilling it in the refrigerator for at least 2 hours. For easy meal prep, check the description for leak-proof containers and other great deals. Serve chilled and enjoy your delicious homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.